In this video, I'll show you how to set up in-store pickup for your Shopify store. If you have a pickup location, this is win-win. It's good for you because you don't have to pay shipping if the customer picks up your product. And it's good for the customer because they get it quickly if they want to. Your pickup in store option will look like this in your checkout. So they'll have under delivery two options, ship and pickup in store. And then it'll show you the store location. And if you select the store location, then the customer can get the items delivered to the store they select. So now let's go through how this is set up. The first thing we need to do is set up a location. This is done from settings and then locations. The location that your customers pick up from must be a location that stores stock. Alternatively, you can share stock amongst multiple locations. More about that in a minute. Let's call it pickup location 2. And then let's add an address. And the address is 10 Smith. There we go. South Colonnade, 10 Stratton Street, London. And then save. Save. And then we've added location. It's appearing here. And then if we go to shipping and delivery, and down we go to pickup in store, and let's just set up another pickup location. So at the moment we have this shop location offers pickup, and let's add pickup to this pickup location 2. And there it's got the location. You can edit the expected pickup date. Then if you want, you can set up the store transfer. That is to enable sharing between inventory locations. So it'll still show being in stock even if you haven't got stock in that location. And then let's select all those. And if we then do save and go back, it'll show that location now offers pickup. Now, if we go back to the checkout and we just refresh it, and we do, yes, we see here store locations, and there are now 2 store locations available. So let's go for the process of creating a pickup in store order. Just buy an item. And if we go to select pickup in store, and we get to choose the location. So let's just choose shop location there. Let's put some dummy details in. So we've selected shop location. So I filled in all the details. If I now click pay now, an order will be created in the system. Now, if we go into Shopify, and now we can see this order's been created, and the delivery method is showing us pickup in store. And we can see that the location is shop location. So we had 2 locations, and we chose shop location, and the delivery method is pickup in store. So that will alert your staff that this is a pickup in store item.